Hi, I'm Aleesah Darlison and welcome to episode 1 of Writing Fun. Whether you're at home or at school, you can use this workshop to add a little fun, sparkle and learning into your day. In this video and others in the series of Writing Fun, I'll be using my latest kids book, that is the League of Llamas Series, as a jumping off point. Today I'd like to talk to you about creating cool characters. For me, characters often are the start of an idea for a story. For the League of Llamas series, I guess the idea came from talking to my children. We were going through this stage where my kids, I have 4 of them, were really interested in llamas, and I love llamas as well. And since writing these books, I've researched a lot about llamas, found out more about them, and love them even more. So I thought llamas would make a really great idea for secret agents. This is Philippe, he's my main character. This is Eloise. She is a really self-empowered female llama. And over here we've got Lloyd. He is Philippe's outsider and he's very, very loyal to Philippe. One of the things that's really, really important for a character is a really cool name. And I have a lot of fun with names. I will often use a baby names book, which will have thousands and thousands of names in it, and I'll look up different names and the meaning of those names, because having a meaning to the name can also add layers to the story. Sometimes you can also find out the meanings to names, the spelling of names, and the origin of names on the internet as well. There are websites that you can search for those. So first of all, I made sure that because you've got double L in llama, I made sure that the first names in my 3 main characters, Philippe, Eloise and Lloyd, I made sure that they all had a double L. We're going to have a look now at names. Now I've created some interesting names, and basically what I just did was look at normal names that humans might have, that we might have heard before, and seeing where I could add an L. So I started off with names that have an L in them already.
Okay, so we could have a name like Daniel, D-A-N-I-E-L. That's already got an L in it. We can just add another L. Or we could have Lyle, which is normally spelled L-Y-L-E. And we could just laminate that by adding an extra L in at the start, or even an L there. Okay, we've got Lucas. That is an L name already, and to laminate that, turn it into a cool llama name, we're just going to have the double L. What about Callum? We've got Callum. So Callum's already got the L's. There are a couple of boys' names that already have L's. Elliot and even Ollie or Oliver has already got L's. Then you've got girls' names. Okay, so we could have some girls' names like Michelle has already got 2 L's in it, so that would make a really great llama name. You've got Millicent. There is a Millicent in the series too. She works in a bank. She's a llama who works in a bank. And you've got Ellen, so it's got a double L. What about Holly? It's a nice llama name with the 2 L's. And Bella. Bella means beautiful. So you could have a beautiful llama called Bella. And you could have something like Callista as well. Now sometimes that's spelt with 1 L. If we're going to laminate it, we want the 2 L's. Then we go for last names. So you'll notice that my llamas all have the last name Llama, and then something is added on to that. Like Philippe is Lamar, Lloyd is Lloyd Laminator, and then you've got Eloise who's Llama Rescue. So we could just add something like Llamason, okay? And we could have Llama Nos, or we might have Llama Ray. We could have Llama, oh I like this one, Llama Star. Okay, so just changing things slightly, Llamatin. Just changing things slightly gives us the lamination names. So we could have Bella, Llama Star, That'd be a cool name, wouldn't it? So it'd be a really great character's name. We could have Ellen Llamanos. Okay. So they are really great llama names. The other thing I do is turn famous people's names into llama names. I laminate them as well. I will laminate anything. So you might have heard of Arnold Schwarzenegger. I've created Arnold Schwarzenlama, and I can just add a double L there. You might have heard of Bruno Mars. Have you heard of Bruno Mars before? Well, I create a new character, Bruno Llamas. And yes, he is a fantastic singer. He's in one of the books. He's in book number 3. Then we have something like, Justin Timberlake. He becomes Justin Timberlama. Okay. And you might have heard of Chris Hemsworth. He plays Thor and in the Marvel series. So we've got Chris, instead of Hemsworth, we might have Chris Hemslama. So we're getting lots of funny puns. So it's kind of jokes as well by changing those characters' names or those real people's names. So they're kind of like jokes as well. By changing these real people's names, that creates a bit of humour in the stories. There we're going from the familiar, like Justin Timberlake, and turning it into the funny or the ridiculous to get a laugh out of it. You might have heard of Miley Cyrus. Now we could make Miley Cylama like that instead of Miley Cyrus. We can make that a double L as well. You might have heard of Taylor Swift. So we could have Taylama Swift. Okay, and just mixing it up and turning it around like that, we can come up with lots of different names. They're fun.
You can have a lot of fun with names, and what I would like you to have a think about is naming your llama character and then perhaps drawing a picture of that llama. So you could use a famous person's name like Arnold Schwarzenegger, or you could just make a name up. You could even turn your name into a llama name. So I'd like you to do that, and then I'd like you to draw your llama. Now remember, llamas have different colours, different markings. Their legs might be tall or short. Their tail might be long and straight, or it might be curly. They have big, beautiful eyes, and are you going to draw your llamas with big, beautiful eyelashes perhaps? And maybe they're wearing an outfit, a bit of bling, earrings, necklaces. Maybe they've got some lace ornaments. And that's how you can add character into your llama. And that's a really, really easy way to start looking at your characters, to start creating a cool llama character. Now, if you would like to send any of your creations, your llama names, and the drawings that you've done, you can post them on my Facebook page. So you can find me at facebook.com/Aleesah Darlison fan page, and you can just post it on there. Or you can post it to my Instagram account, which is Aleesah, ALEESAH _Darlison, DARLISON. And I look forward to seeing your creations. Thank you. Bye for now.